Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review these crutches that I got sent out for review. And these are what the crutches that are included in the box. As you can see, everything it is in their own bag. And this is how they look once that you take it out of the bag. This part, the handle, where you will be supporting your hands, it is really soft. The part of the bottom, it has anti-slippery gum, and also at the top, it is very, very soft where your shoulders go. Okay, so this is how they look like, and let's just start putting it together so you can see how these three pieces will go and ensemble together, okay? This also comes with these like a kind of a tool or a screwdriver that you will be needing just to adjust this. Like for example, right here, you just inserted this part, and here it has the maximum line, and you will be adjusting this with this tool. It is like a screwdriver, and there it is. So it is really easy to adjust. You don't need any other tool. This part is super soft, so you won't be very warm using this, okay? Because usually you get really warm when you're using crutches, and this handle is super soft, also anti-slippery. It has this texture right here that will help to avoid the sweat to be like slippery, okay? It has a very good grip, and this bottom part right here, it is really easy, and it also includes this sticker which will help you to identify which is the right crutch and the left one, okay? So now you just put it under your shoulder, and this is the way that you will be using it. Okay, now let's just fix the left one. Okay, so this is the handle, and you can use this tool or you can use your own tools, your screwdrivers. So this is the way that you will be using them. As I was telling you, these handles are amazing. Like, I haven't used any other crutches as comfortable as these ones. And besides that, the parts under the shoulders, under your armpits, these are super comfortable as well. Usually when you use crutches, your armpits will hurt a lot because this part is super hard. So in this case, they made this part really soft so they don't hurt your armpits, okay? And these are really cool and modern crutches.